Hi everyone, my name is Steve. Today I will show you how to connect our motors to ESC. We call this easy connectors. Those are connected to ESC with those two cables. This cable here is for power button. This cable going all here to the battery, and this cable is for the screen for battery percent. This going also with this cable to the battery. This cable is from battery to charger input. You will put this with foam pad. This is sticky and waterproof, and you connect that with bolts and nuts here. I will show you later how to do that. This is our SKULLBOARD airless wheels. They are made from rubber, the same with a car tire. So this rubber is extremely durable. We have tested them on the 100 kilometers without any damages. They have a curved surface that makes you easy to turn, easy to control your board. Also, those tires are anti-slip. You can ride on the rain whenever you want. They produce the less vibration, and this is the back track with easy connectors, and now I will show you how to connect that together with the board and everything else. This is
missing a button. Can
Okay, now I will show you how to connect these easy connectors. Come here. You see here this part and this part needs to be together. And the same with the other. And that is that. You should put here. And that is that. Our skateboard is complete now. We have a remote. I will show you how to connect this. Here, this button. Press and hold around 6-7 seconds. Then you will see the blinking lights. Then do the same with the remote on the power button. Press and hold. Wait. That is it. Our SKULLBOARD is connected now. You can enjoy in your ride. That is that. And one more thing. Safety first. Wear the helmets. Wear the everything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.